I want to do art, and I have to join Twin Club, lunch, digital drawing, and then bath, play slide, and then campus care, then play basketball, poison, and then eat dinner, then thought club, then entertainment, and then go to sleep.
How did you decide that you want to do all these things?
I just pick up few things to do and then I add them in.
Like how do you pick up?
A few interests which asks me to come to them.
Okay, can you talk a little more?
Like few interests which I like to do.
Like?
Digital drawing and art. Like that.
And how are you planning to do that? Digital art and what else did you say? Art.
Yeah, digital drawing and Twin Club and art.
So how did you? What all you're going to do in that?
In digital drawing, doing the focusing on the designs mostly.
You were saying something about the lines.
Yeah, like yesterday I wanted to go about the line because wavy lines go somewhere, and the straight lines go perfect, and I want it perfect. So, and sometimes it doesn't come out that good, so today I wanted to do it good.
So what different you will do to make it good?
What different I make it do good? I don't know. Maybe like do it slowly, not fast.
Okay, fast doesn't brings the
Fast
perfect.
as in like going like I want to like patiently do, go straightly in a circle.
Okay. So how did you decide that today what all you are going to do?
Today, what all I want to do is yesterday what I did mainly and what I did not do. I'll make it more important,
Which you did not do yesterday.
which I did not do yesterday, and what I like to do, I'll make it important in today's plan.
Today's list.
Yeah.
Okay. And how do you go about it? Time wise or how do you plan?
Yeah, sometimes time wise, sometimes I just go on with the day. Some like I want to do this, I'll do it for how much of a time I want. I don't want to do this.
And what do you do when you're stuck or you don't know what to do?
I just see my planning, and if everything is over,
No, not in that sense. Suppose you are reading something and you don't understand that, then what do you do?
I'll read it once again, and if I don't understand, I'll keep reading. If I still don't understand, I'll go ask someone.
Okay. How else do you ask for help? Do you also get into say for example?
Or sometimes if I'm reading, I'll go to the next sentence because it may be some connection to the word.
Okay, so then you can go forth and back. And how do you know what to read?
Like now I have started Buddha book. So Buddha is my interest now in reading.
Okay.
So that's how I.
Thanks. Am I asking a lot of questions? So you decide what you want to do.
How I decide is first in my planning, I categorize which is important, what is supposed to be done first, which is important for me, then which is next important, third important, fourth important, and I categorize interests which is more important than the important selection, and which is less important than important selection.
And what makes it important and not important?
That I decide in which time, how.
No. What makes it you decide that this is important and this is not important?
I don't know.
Okay, so you decide.
Yeah.
You decide. Okay. Okay, and
So-
after that?
After that, in that I take one which is most important or which is the most interest which I want to do.
Uh-huh.
And I ask few people that if I am doing like for electrical work, I ask Ratnesh which is more important. We
Okay.
do some like
So you ask for priorities, which needs to be
priorities,
prioritized.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
that also I write in my planning,
Mhm.
and based on the time I put it in my day plan.
So this week you are doing painting, wall painting. How did you decide that you want to do wall painting and not other things?
Because wall painting, I wanted to finish that wall
Mhm.
and go for other kind of designs and do other work.
Mhm.
So that's why, because I've been in this wall painting for 3 weeks.
Oh,
I was
okay.
supposed to do it in one day, but
Uh-huh.
I stretched it because I had other works. Now I
Uh-huh.
want to finish it.
Finish it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks
Yes.
a lot.